In the movie, Same Kind of Different Than Me. Hi, I'm Marcia from Memaw Wisdom Coaching. Ron learns about volunteering and about how he judges other people through Debbie, who is certainly the lead in that case in their family. But Debbie is also the lead in their spirituality. And Ron develops his own very close and very important spiritual aspect of his life that he's really not given much attention to across the earlier years. But it becomes a core of what he and Debbie share before Debbie moves on. How do you use your spiritual life? How do you develop it on a daily basis? Whatever you choose to believe, whatever you choose to do, how are you developing that part of your life? Because it's critical. Be sure to like, comment, and share. I'm interested in hearing your stories.